Idiot.
Your father.
Now waiting. Now this one in they do me.
Anyway, now welcome back on Top of the Night Show for today. Our topic on the discuss now matter when they say concern one man we born pikin, give girl belle, can't run, leave the man, leave the girl and the belle after 16 years. When they say the girl don't born, the guy can't come back now to take for collect the pikin. If now you be the mama of this boy or you be the boy, what you go do? Now be the question what they say with the ask on today. Our phone numbers go there on top of your TV. Make you begin the call us now. Make you know what you get to talk on top of the matter. Even on top Twitter, if you go at Twitter, handle will be at Wazobia W Night Show. At W Night Show to take for tell us what you feel on top of the matter. To take for start with us for Inside Studio for here. Come, we get that video of Bagan. That video of Bagan Timaya.
Yeah, it did. The video did.
The video did.
Yeah, the video did, yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it did.
Are you sure?
It did.
Are you sure?
It did.
Anyway, we will buy small chicken break. We will watch the video of Bagan by Timaya featuring who again? No? In fact, we'll go play them later.
All right.
But make I come back to you. IzyBeatz.
Yeah.
If now you be this man pikin.
Yes.
If now you be this man pikin.
And na boy pikin.
And na boy yo.
Yes.
Wait,
boy.
First of all, Nedu, I want to ask. Na Igbo man or na Yoruba man? No, we need to know. Where is your preeminence? Either inside boy pikin or inside girl pikin?
Na boy, not big girl. Na boy. That
boy.
one I know na boy pikin.
But you don't know where he's from.
I don't know where the man from.
Okay, we do from Newi or you know.
Why it isn't from Newi?
No, yours they don't.
So now, so what you talk about? Say Igbo men they really they pikin wrong.
No, yeah, me and it no.
But why you can't call it? Why you not call Kenya or another place? Why you call Newi?
No, yours now those the first thing when enter my head. Newi, that's it. That's all.
Answer my question.
Yeah,
True.
well, if Misha, at least, how old you say the pikin done there now?
16.
And 16, if Isha don't get sense small.
What if you don't get sense? You don't get sense.
You don't get sense. So if he make decisions, I go ask better questions now. Guy, why?
Which kind of question you want to ask?
Guy, so what
Okay,
happen?
if now you be the pikin.
Yes. Popsi sit down more yarn. What happen? Why you run? So you go talk. You understand? So maybe number one, all this while when you don't run, mom sit down they clear me since they say as the matter they go, and of which me I never hear from your own side. So that the first time where they say and be this, and of which you know say picking they go like this, they always miss their dad. She get so, but now bless the guy can't show.
Okay.
I go ask him. So now waiting go yarn.
Now ain't go be
at the end of the day, I go the time waiting now to tell him.
Before we continue, Victoria from Bayelsa, good evening.
Good evening.
My sister, how you doing?
Are they fine?
How today?
Huh?
How today?
How today?
Today they're fine.
Okay, if now you be the woman, the mama of this boy or the boy, what you go do?
I go accept and I be the father of the pikin so that people know of course the pikin bastard. I not release the pikin to her.
I don't understand. In come back to collect the pikin.
Yes.
Now you
I'm
go.
not feel release and give one.
Why you not go feel release and give him?
All right, don't let me just talk about when the pikin did the record is 16 years.
Okay. So you not go feel give him again. Now only you want go handle the pikin. But maybe the
I'm
pikin
already
no
I don't reach 16 years, so problem not there again.
Okay, so you no go give the you no go give the man the pikin full stop.
No.
I trust
Boy,
you.
but-
I believe you.
but-
It's not quarrel, Vicky. It's okay.
Bye. Thank you.
You know, but no, but
Matthew,
you ask
good
question.
evening. It can't
No,
cause fight.
no, but you-
Matthew from Jos, good evening.
No, but you ask question, Nedu.
Hello, Matthew. Hello.
Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John.
We lost Martin.
Matthew,
Okay, back to
phone.
you. Before
Okay.
I take calls again, back to
So
you.
like I talk I go ask him. But if now me be the woman, there's no need. As that one just did very glaring. There is no need. What you want to do after 16 years?
And maybe for example, maybe don't tell the man say he get belly. The man maybe he come
The man just
interfix,
cut out.
come
You
enter.
there's nothing with men, they do you're wrong. Come on.
Don't tell him
But
say
no,
me.
but
Hey,
funny
never.
enough, but get what I go talk. I'll talk him later. Not be now. If now that kind of gist, the woman can carry, can convert, can give the picking like that. Then who can they deceive who? But I'll give the gist later because
This IzyBeatz there, I know they trust in mind. This man.
No, see, I don't hear similar story.
Yes.
Like this. I don't hear similar story like this when he be say the guy Papa he waka go after 9 years. After 9 years, now the guy can come back. The guy
No,
show
but
back.
you know
now,
what's in
now
IzyBeatz
the
talk?
mama of the boy, now the mama of the girl, we take in the girl when the girl get belly.
Yes.
When the girl born became the trade. Now the boy did with the The grandmother.
The grandmother,
right
always with the grandmother.
Always with the grandmother. Now, the boy now, now the family now no con gree make the man, make it not get anything to do with the boy. They don't even want make it see the boy. Now, the girl now, we born the boy, con they say no. Make the man come see him.
See the boy.
At least make it come the see him. After see him, you go. But
okay, but he no could release the pikin.
but he not go release the
pikin. You see your pikin.
You understand?
Yeah.
But it gets some way go tell you to say only them not handle. They not handle the raising of the child alone. But you can get what you talk now. You say if now you be the boy, say you go ask the guy, say okay, what make him not come? The guy if he can't give you excuse. But the truth be say, what make you after you come out, you know say you give person belly. Now you don't you don't know later say the girl born. You understand?
And all those years.
You
never show
1
up.
year you not come.
You know say
2 years you not come.
You know say the normal
10 years you not come.
The normal thinking
Now,
be
16
say
years
you don't
after.
go somewhere. They don't tell you say you get who you don't do bad thing.
You walk on with the final.
And it is possible say the boy maybe don't turn out to. I never see this boy picture. People say now fine boy, very intelligent boy.
Fresh,
the boy don't
make
fresh.
sense.
You understand?
If the mama dey okay.
Come back.
Maybe
now.
if you get pikin again.
Yeah.
You understand? Or maybe the man, they don't tell the man, say, oh, you not fit get bikini again. How you don't do now? All this work away, you don't work out this fire, this misa way, you don't fire. Say you not go feel fire bikini again. Maybe that one go come back and say, oh, you get who I give belle, and I know say the girl. Now, what him make and come back? You mean saying that 16 years in final say the girl the born the bikini? No. Because for him to go, Ingo don't believe say the girl don't abort the pikin.
Yes.
Now for you to come back, it means say you know say the girl born.
You know, and something that can draw your attention.
It means say you know say the girl born the pikin. So why you not come all this while?
When you know say she
When you know say she born the pikin.
Yes.
For Benin, good evening, Biko. Joy.
Oh, na true.
Good evening.
How you dey, Joy? How today?
Today they fine, no. How na day?
See
We
we
dey
here,
fine,
we
my dear.
dey.
Joy, if now you, what you go do for this matter? If now you be the girl or the boy?
If na maybe the girl, what I go do if na maybe the mother of the pikin.
Yes.
If you say you want to see pikin, fine. But say make you can't take her, that one out of point.
Okay. If you want, come they see the boy, fine. But to come take her.
Fine. That one a lie nah.
But-
That one a
What if you not get what you they do to take for help and train the boy more? And this guy now don't go finally come back and he dey very rich. I don't know about the man whether he get money or not, but I just dey assume.
No, for that 16 years, for me to take care of the kid for 16 years, you know, say I don't need the papa again.
So now you go take care of him. That 16 years, of course, he don't finish secondary school. If he don't do universities,
If he dey SS,
if he dey SS2 or SS3, now you go come pay school fees, university and everything for him.
Yes.
Okay, no wahala. Joy from Benin, thank you very much.
Joy don't stand in ground say because that question when you ask, I don't think when I sit down.
You understand? Reason
You
am.
get us, you know, because as people they go school, you know, say school they cost these days. So as you they go university, you go say at least you go breathe small. Say in Papa don't come one
Thanks,
offset some
finally.
things from.
All this body why don't they carry for my hair? At least.
But
at
suppose
least.
you know here waiting Joy say no. I say don't look at 16 years. Waiting never kill him, no go kill him again.
From my boy, good evening. Chibeze.
Hello.
Are you with me?
Hello, I'm with you. I'm with you.
Okay, good evening. How you doing?
I did fine.
Hey, if now you, what you go do for this matter?
If not me, as I don't raise and reach like 50 years, me, I'm not going to give him no wallahi.
You not gonna give him back?
I'm not going to give him, I'm not going to give
Not
him
too
back.
wicked.
What? But why are you people wicked now?
How go wicked? Why you first wicked me? If you first wicked me, leave the child with me.
So you go now pay wickedness for wickedness.
I don't raise and finish, you go still come collect them. Just like that.
But the Bible says, do not reward if pay back wickedness with wickedness.
I'm not wanting him. I'm just doing my own thing, my own way. I'm not wanting him. Let him go there.
Not so, bam.
So
If you come be the pikin,
so your if now you come be the beginning, nko?
It's like the pikin. I don't see my papa because I don't see my papa. Papa, see, yes, you're welcome. You're my papa. Thank you.
So now they end.
Imagine Papa and that.
Chibeze.
Hey, Chibeze, I want to ask you something.
That one for enter.
Oh, on top
Now that question
Twitter.
I want to ask you
That one
was
for enter.
On top Twitter, Chiamaka say I go allow them have father and child relationship, but she could still get custody, and the child could still dey use her surname.
Victoria, good evening. Victoria. Vicky.
Aviri baby.
Continue.
See them line for. I Prince say she won't accept because the son has already gotten a new father. But for me, I will accept the man based on conditions. What's gonna be your condition? You know, if you talk condition, you can't talk again. Say, I beg, make them go sit down. Now story.
Okay, this one, okay, don't reach Amaka. I will allow them to have father and child relationship, but I will have full custody, and the child will still be using...
She say her pikin go to use her name, her own surname.
Okay, now you see, now the gist that will bring me. She says the pikin go to use her own surname. Now the gist will bring me to what I want to talk. This one happened to my friend. Go. So in see babe when like. Okay. I see the babe finish now they go the introduction. They don't do introduction finish. The guy just a try way back then. Just a try as in they go school, they work and stuff. So they don't do introduction finish now the guy can't get belly. Now they can go do introduction. So they couldn't tell the guy, the guy come marry the babe. The guy say, but money never do. Babe, tell your people now. Say money never did my hand though. But they not the guy can't say, but they don't listen to her now. And of which the babe don't go connive with her family. Say man, the guy an Igbo girl. So you better tell this guy, this guy come marry me. If not, then this guy not go ready. The guy don't know. So the guy can register this girl for hospital based on me the girl won't born pikin. She get. Yeah. Then the guy can go. When can they reach few months to when the girl wants to born? The girl family can't change the girl from the hospital. Carry and go their own personal hospital. They do village now the girl come born. As the girl born like this, they discharge the pikin carry go house. When my guy see the baby certificates, now the girl family name there. Now the girl family, they not grant this guy access.
I know if you talk.
Okay, now imagine that kind of picking now, they can't train now. Reach 16 years. They can't tell and say, all those 16 years, they like give them say your papa run.
But that kind of picking now, later, no matter how it I think you understand me. No matter now more that thing, the child will know what's happen.
Not be if they talk.
Not be if they tell her.
No. If the pikin come find him, papa, you don't say na boy pikin. I think.
Yes, na boy.
Now, I get would na you mate. He could go find him, papa.
So not waiting they tell her. Okay, now.
Hold on. Okay. Even if you go find him, papa, you could ask. You get some kind things where and you know body language.
Where they go don't talk.
And then 16, you go don't suspect your mama say this your mama self. You get some kind crying where be Ojodo crying. When in one make you do something for
from
him.
Lagos, good evening.
You go don't know your mama.
Scott.
You know how. Scott.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, bro. How you doing?
I did fine.
I bet chook mouth for this matter.
Yeah, if you say that me. Hello.
Yeah, would they hear you?
Yeah, if you say that me.
If you say that.
What happened is that I cannot allow him. I don't feel allow him to take. I don't feel allow him to take the pikin go.
Okay.
But know how. Now my husband, I will forgive him. That's it.
Okay. You go forgive him. Make it come to see the pikin.
Yeah.
But you not go give him custody of the pikin.
That's if you be the woman, no, because as you talk that husband.
If I be the woman, I go forgive him.
Okay.
But
he no go carry the pikin.
No, if the pikin won't go stay with him, if he go stay with him.
Scott,
yeah?
Scott, make I ask you. This one not be what he be. But if the papa they very, very rich income.
This one will be the rich matter or not.
Not true, Sha, but I just throw him inside just in case. Anyway, Scott, thank you very much.
Then it's on top Twitter say if Nadangote be the papa, everybody go accept him sharp.
Nathaniel, good evening. You see, that's why they talk. Nathaniel, good evening.
Hello, evening.
Good evening.
How is you, my brother?
I did fine.
Nathaniel, I bet chook mouth for this matter.
If na me, I go first of all, no the reason why he run before.
If now you be the pikin
or the mother.
I the why the man run before and the reason why he come back. Now the two things why I go ask him that.
You the talk as the woman now or as the son?
If na I go call the woman and the pikin, we will go see that reason. I go ask him why he run before and why he come back now.
You never still get the question.
You don't understand the question what they ask you, Nathaniel. Nathaniel, this man not say he since when he give the wife the mother belly, he not show face. Now after 16 years, he can come back, he won't come collect the pikin. Now the question what they ask me say, if now you be the mama,
yes,
waiting you go do, and then if now you be the son, waiting you go do.
If na me be the woman, now they talk. I go ask the man why he run before and why he come back, won't come collect the pikin. Now the two questions be that.
Okay. And then if you be the son, come. If you be the son, uncle.
Now, do man nine be the major here?
No, not be major anything.
The son, because the son might be the bone of
the son be the cocoa now.
Anyway, Nathaniel, thank you very much.
All right.
Thank you. Yeah. Friday, good evening.
Good evening. Do my God, I didn't walk out.
Hey! On your body!
I don't have one nigga go.
Friday, bye!
My brother, how may I make you walk out?
Hey! Namute,
All and all.
None of my bad begin now, boy. Telephone to buy imagine a cabo can do walk.
See the guy the rap. See the guy the rap this thing.
Now I'm going to Friday. If now you chook out for this matter, what do you go do? Hey!
He just called
my village guy. He called my village Gong Walker. My village Gong.
He just gonna hail you.
Now the guy, that is my brother.
He couldn't be like saying they rap.
I
Me and Issy no can't even hear anything.
That is our language.
He tick very well.
He tick well. As the dance, he said if that's why they dance, they tell you walk, the dance of a walker or can. You see, let me tell you something. It has to be in the spirit to understand that. If you're in the flesh, whatever you are, you will understand something. Go and talk to that.
May we see if we get
Sorry,
okay, I
don't
don't
go to Twitter. Chijoke, good evening.
Good evening.
CJ.
How is you, Chijoke?
I'm okay, maybe.
I bet chook mouth for this matter.
The program, I just listen for the thing one of the talk,
Yes.
My brother, this issue now, depends on the particular culture of the people involved.
Bam.
You understand? The culture of the people involved.
Chijoke, God bless you. Continue.
Thank you. So, like in my own community,
Yes.
if you date a woman and you did not, take care of her,
Yes.
maybe the lady delivered the baby successfully and the family took after the child
Yes.
until 15 years or 16 years.
Yes.
You coming back to come and killing the baby
Yes.
is absolutely not acceptable.
Okay.
I mean, which community be that?
I'm from Anambra State.
Okay. It's not acceptable. Continue.
Yes. You don't accept it because what you have to do, if you what?
Continue.
Okay. What you have to do, if you impregnate a woman, even if you don't have money at that moment, you have to show yourself to the family. Present yourself officially so that they will kill you.
Okay.
They don't know you from the beginning.
Okay.
Everything you're doing after that is just kankabu.
Kangaga. No problem. Okay, thank you very much.
I do kangaroo.
Cock and bull.
From Italy, good evening.
Kangaroo, corn bull.
Kangabu.
Bread and
Sly
butter.
from Italy, good evening.
Sylvester.
Sly.
He been define you that time where they say I try bleach you.
Sly, how far?
Nedu, are you with me?
I am with you, my brother. How is the ministry?
Yo,
Sylvester.
Sylvester, Anna.
I did cool. What's up?
We do.
IzyBeatz.
Yes, boss.
No, Sylvester
The biggest DJ waiting there now.
Yes, boss. I did, Jerry. We chill.
DJ were Domo.
Sylvester, chook mouth for this matter. Chook mouth for this matter, what do you discuss?
Hello.
I would hear you, Sly.
Yeah, I have that much. Yeah, I'm not
Yes.
It's not me,
Yes.
If I did make it myself from the show of the brother to the girl.
Okay.
We get the belly.
Okay.
If the guy come, then the first thing I just the main question is why you run and what happened.
Okay.
Because I get friends with this evening right now, so the guy don't know epoxy. I need to start epoxy.
Wow.
But even when you think of say one after epoxy, say why you run the way you see epoxy. Because my mom they put the blame saying why you never hold my epoxy.
Yes.
You understand? So now to ask the guy why you run everything because I know the pikin definitely the epoxy get money or not get money.
Yes.
The pikin go accept the epoxy.
Exactly.
But the other thing say the fight goalies they say when the mom will lie and the pikin follow the epoxy that's it.
Yes.
But me if I the black guy I never want to make the guy follow make my sister pikin follow the man come out.
Okay. But at least make you know the father.
Make it know the.
Yeah, make it know the father. That one I sure. The pikin sure no be shit up sure. The pikin don't even dey for. The pikin won't follow epoxy immediately. That one I sure.
All right, Sly. Thank you very much. Thank you.
You know, say that thing. If Pikin no him, papa, I don't know whether they affect him.
See the pain, oh.
See, ma tell you something, ma ask. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, no.
Good evening. How is
Yeah,
you?
Nedu, my brother.
Are you with him, man?
I'm with you 24 hours.
I beg, call this your name.
Are they your side? Oh,
What be your name?
I'm with you 24 hours.
Okay.
What be your name?
What be your name?
Eketebo.
Eketembo.
Katembo.
Eketembo.
Where are you from?
Calabar now.
I'm from Abia State.
Hey!
Eketembo.
Katembo. Now your mama and papa give you this name?
From Abia State.
Now your mama and papa give you this name?
Eketembo.
Okay.
Your TV there too loud.
The TV is too loud.
Your TV there too loud. That be the problem.
That is when my grandma give me that name.
Oh, yeah, no, it's not correct.
No problem.
Okay.
Quarrel. Continue. I bet chook mouth for this matter what they discuss.
TV.
Eketembo. About Daniel now your
Bye-bye.
TV, you know.
Your TV they display your name. Eketembo. On a bomb.
Eketembo from Abia State.
I beg read it.
I beg, if you like me to your grandmother, make a put on your
That grandmother wicked though.
I never hear them. If na Delta person, I could say, okay, I know their way. But
That's wicked. Wicked grandmother.
Eketebo.
Vicky Wilson Walker say, I know I'm carry my pikin co. Make them they send money for the pikin upkeep.
Very
I don't know
important.
how the place where in Papa they stay they be. Patrick say I could sue the man for carelessness, heartlessness, and fraud. You are very harsh.
Hello, who there on the line? Good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, sister. How you doing?
I'm fine, oh, good evening.
I beg chook mouth for this matter.
I'm coming from Lagos.
Yeah, Edifon, thank you.
Oh, Edifon. Your sister.
Eketebo.
Her telephone, her TV they too loud. That's
Yeah,
why.
her TV there, Ketembo.
Her TV is Eketembo. So, you know.
Edifon, call us back.
Edifon, calling from Eketebo.
Edifon, please call us back. Oh, and then I'll talk to her again.
Moyo sorry say I no go forgive am lie. Even if pikin agree to the see himself, now under my supervision, the visit could be.
Okay, anyway, Anthony, good evening.
Good evening.
Hey. How is you?
I'm fine, no.
I beg, Anthony, chook mouth for this matter.
For his like pastor.
When I want to talk, we say, if I be the woman, I will never allow the man to touch my pikin. But I can only allow the man to see my pikin.
Okay.
Oh.
Then if
So
you be the boy, you come.
not touch.
Then the only reason why I will allow my pikin to see the man is for my pikin's sake.
Okay.
Not for the man's sake, but for my pikin's sake, so that my pikin go know the real father.
Because you don't even send the father again, basically.
Yeah.
Anthony.
Hello?
It's okay.
Thank you very much, Anthony. Anyway, more glass more chicken and bread for you. No come back.
Like who they use Saturday night
Feel like
fever
we
that
don't
time.
high. Feel like I don't drink something.
Then
You know, say some people natural.
No, he corrupt Tony Montana powder.
Eh?
Tony Montana.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. Let me stay on the line. I want to hear you. Okay?
Guinea.
Hello?
Yeah, Peter.
Yeah, I'm listening.
Peter, the disciple of Jesus.
Hey, Katim. Hey.
So the man. Anna.
I do. Your smile is not bad, though.
Oh. Okay, chook mouth inside this matter.
Before I took my make I hail Nedu and IzyBeatz now.
We inhale. You the hell we inhale.
Good evening.
Good evening, my brother. Are you with him, man?
I'm with you.
What?
Hey, IzyBeatz.
Yes, boss. Piro.
Pirata?
Oh, yes, it.
Hey.
Domo, I'm a real guy with that.
For some days, then we are not hearing your voice.
Who be that?
Eh?
Nedu,
Sir?
we have been missing you since all those days. We are not hearing your voice again.
We try to bleach them. They do not agree bleach, so we bring and come out from inside the bath where we put them.
Okay, you are welcome.
Thank you.
We are missing you.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
It is
See, we are
mixed.
missing you.
Yes.
I don't come back now. Peter! Anyway, more gas, more chicken break for you. When we come back, we'll continue with still on top of the night show and topic on episode we discuss. We'll come back now.
If you don't know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.